Hello, Paul Hamilton here. I've made up a little keynote to really teach that sequence and order based on the book where Hazel helps Dad basically create a new recipe. We're going to create a hamburger today. I've got this cheap kind of set that I picked up at Kmart, which is a great little kind of hamburger. It cost me about $5 on sale. And I've just mocked up a quick Keynote file where we just drag. So if we just drag the hamburger down first, then normally like a little bit of lettuce on top. So we'll put the lettuce there. Then we might go with the meat. Put the meat on here. Then we might go with some tomato. Then we might go for, I might make these a little bit, I might just bring them down so you can see half of it each time. That looks quite effective, so you can kind of see the overlapping. And once again, because it's Keynote, you could actually go on there. They've got my tomato. Might put some bacon on top of the tomato. That's unusual, but we'll go with that. Put some cheese on top. And then our onion. I've linked all of the words together so you can kind of see. And we'll put the hamburger bun on top there. And once again, we could layer that. And once the kids have actually done that, what we could then do is start to actually plan that out, pair up with another student, and then actually get them to do it with the actual physical model here. So I've got the hamburger first, you can see there. Then I've got the lettuce, so I'll put the lettuce on there. And we can start to use the words like then and after and so forth. So what have I got next on my list? I've got some meat, so we'll put the meat down on top of the lettuce. That's looking good. What have we got after that? We can tell the kids, okay, we've got some tomato, so we'll put the tomato on, the unusual bacon on the tomato there. Then we've got the cheese. Then we've got the onion, and then we've got another burger on top. So this is just a great way, if you can see the going from the digital to the physical, getting them actually to place it. Older kids could obviously just type it without the visuals, without the actual pictures. I think this is just a great way of looking at sequence and order, putting things, how to kind of make a hamburger, what are the first things you put on and then the next. Just a great way of looking at, I guess, computational thinking and coding, but in a way that's kind of engaging and kind of practical, and the kids can then go home for homework and make their own one. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.